what has been the experience in this 15-16 years? I mean, you have been almost hands-on in so much of the news work. What has been the experience? Have things deteriorated? Have they stood still? Obviously, from what you are saying, it seems that the situation has deteriorated.
Yeah, news medium, yes, it has deteriorated.
In what way?
Loss of credibility, basically.
Okay.
And credibility and the chase of ratings. With the result, everybody in every newsroom want to push the news very quickly.
Okay.
To break news. I'm the first breaking news.
Okay.
In that breaking news, anxiety to break the news, which will get you the rating, you compromise on the reality, facts.
Yeah. And in this process, you think that is the surveys showing that the public is more nervous about the lack of truth, or are they more worried about where the ownership is coming from? So it is inspired news.
Well, see, public will not know. Public is saying simply that aap bike hue ho.
So why are they suspicious of that?
Because of these things. After all, लोग समझते हैं ना कहीं तो.
What do you think what is the real source of funding which is coming now? You think it is now overwhelming the business side of it in news media? You think it is more bad money than good money today in news media?
I haven't heard any serious business house putting in money in the news media recently, in the last couple of years.
So
except for Reliance taking over TV18, I haven't heard. In fact, we heard that Aditya Birla Group is withdrawing from Aaj Tak. They want to sell that.
So, just to take this point ahead, you had made a point that there is no problem in the regulatory aspects.
There is problem only in regulatory aspects.
No, in the sense of money entering. In the sense that it is not an over-regulation situation. People can invest in this. But obviously business groups and serious business groups, they are little reluctant to come into this
आप
area.
देखिए ना, मुझे बताइए, आज लोग कहते हैं पॉलिटिक्स में आप क्यों नहीं गए? अरे बड़ा गंदा है पॉलिटिक्स. अब सारे पॉलिटिशियन तो गंदे नहीं है ना, अच्छे भी लोग हैं पॉलिटिक्स में.
तो क्यों
नहीं लोग आते हैं? क्योंकि एज ए प्रोफेशन पॉलिटिक्स बदनाम हो चुकी है. सेम वे आज मीडिया बदनाम हो रहा है. इसका मतलब नहीं कि सारे ही गलत कर रहे हैं. तो वो जब लोगों को दूसरों को लगता है कि अच्छा, मुझे कभी लगता है, मुझे भी कई बार कहते हुए झिझक होने लगी है कि आई ओन टेलीविजन चैनल्स. एवरी अदर पर्सन इज ओनिंग टीवी चैनल.
Your sort of engagement with media, I've seen there's a certain passion about it.
Yes.
Besides the business, there is a passion.
Yeah.
And you also got into that sports sphere with a passion, which was,
yes,
which went not according to plan fully. But at least in the entertainment and in the news side, there's a certain passion. But you see, people are either A, not passionate about it, that this is an area to invest and to develop, or B, that they don't think it is a viable business. So what is the problem? Why are people not willing to...
Well, for news media, if we keep to the news medium, it is not viable business. And why it is not viable is again the same regulation, that you have allowed everybody enter into it. Their motivation is not business. So they lose money, it doesn't matter. Their other objectives are met.
So can we also say that there is a certain nervousness of business groups कि भाई यहाँ पे problem हो जाएगा? You see, we can't run a
लोग कहते हैं यार क्यों इस गंद में क्यों जाना? See that, to very simply put.
Yeah, so then the flip side is अगर serious business नहीं है, तो then the other flip side is that all the fly-by-night people will come. Vacuum हो जाता है. If there is...
But दूसरा serious businessman ये भी तो सोचता है ना कि already the place is clutter. I don't need to enter. Why should I enter? क्लटर्ड स्पेस है ऑलरेडी। तो इसमें कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए ऐसा नहीं है ना, या इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं आ रही है ये कंसर्न लोगों का।
Therefore you are coming back to the same logic कि unless there is some filters, some government regulation, there will be continuing chaos in this area.
It will not make viable business proposition. It will the pride of people will not be there. So many things. With the result, I don't want to come into it.
Then could there also be regulation?
अभी लोग कहते हैं कि priority of information चाहिए। अरे वो तो चाहिए पर कितनी? ये तो न्यूज एजेंसी क्या तो था जब फाउंडिंग फादर्स ऑफ दिस कंट्री, पीटीआई अकेला था, तो देन दे फॉर्म्ड यूएनआई अंडर दिस थिंकिंग ओनली कि देयर शुड बी मल्टीपल व्यूज। पर आज तो वो चीज आप एक्यूज नहीं कर सकते हो।
There is multiplicity of it. Only that the standard is, as you put it, it is there.
It is there.
There is no spectrum. You see,
there has to be serious players in the business, and that they compete, then they automatically level will also
improve. And the ones which are at the bottom die away of the competition.
Correct.
They exit.
Yes, that is.
One or two last questions. Is there a case for protecting media's neutrality or independence by having trusts and not direct ownership run it? For instance, in Nehruvian times, they had those press commissions, special press commissions, which advocated that. You set up trusts, which they can be ownership, but the trust becomes a sort of layer between the ownership and the journalists and other people, so that there is no direct.
हो सकता है, मैंने देखा नहीं पहले क्या हुआ था प्रेस उसमें, लेकिन अगर ऐसा करें तो भी मुझे तो एतराज पर्सनली नहीं होगा। ठीक है, करिए आप, वो सबके लिए कानून बनाओगे ना आप, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो। मैं यही कह रहा हूँ सिर्फ कि मेक ए ट्रांसपेरेंट regulation law so that everybody follows it. If people who are not following, they should not be allowed to twist and turn this. Right. This is not an income tax matter. This is not a taxation issue which people are bending and avoiding taxation. The evasion is different, avoiding is different. This is not tax avoidance or tax evasion. It is a serious thing. You should have, like in the financial services, like in many other things, you should do that. कहीं पे ऐसा ना हो It is definitely seriousness of that. I'm very concerned. But how to do it is the question again. It's an overall law and order situation, but media as a fraternity also is now getting attacked, which was not. So to my mind, that the law and order deterioration is now increasing.
Right.
पहले media was still, people will not say यार उस media वाला है उसको मत छेड़ो, या पुलिस वाले के ऊपर जल्दी से लोग हाथ नहीं उठाए.
Final question, do you think the current government is responsive to these issues? You think with this kind of...
If they are not responsive, then I would say that please don't complain against media. Stop complaining if you can't correct this regulatory thing.
But you had expressed that Modi...
Well, I do hear from them, ये media तो हमारे खिलाफ है, वो हमारे बुराई करता है, ये करता है. और वो करता है तो क्योंकि आपने ऐसा किया हुआ है ना, आप उसके रोक नहीं रहे हो, आप उसको कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो. कोई कह रहा होगा कि नहीं ये किया तो मीडिया खिलाफ हो जाएगा, क्या खिलाफ हो जाएगा?
It was both ways.
It was both ways.
Because media supported you when you came to
power. तब तो नहीं बोले.
95% of the media was supporting you in that.
तब नहीं बोले आप. अब आप बोलते हैं.
But one point, last point you had said is that if one person can do something, it is.
Agar if he doesn't do it, I don't think there would be anybody else who will be kind of daring to do it.
Right.